Welcome back, dear students, to Module 3 of Standard 6, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 4, Operations on Fractions. Let's see learning objective of this module. In this module, you will be learning about fractions on the number line. So, let's get started. Students, we know that what is number line? Here you can see this number line. In maths, a number line is a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals or segments along its length. A number line can be extended infinitely in any direction, and we usually represent it horizontally. The numbers on the number line increases as we move from left to right and decreases moving from right to left. Now we will see fractions on the number line. You have learned to show whole numbers like 0, 1, 2 and so on a number line. We can also show fractions on a number line. Students, do you know fractions expand our number system beyond whole numbers and integers? They can help us denote any decimal numbers with higher precision. Representation of fraction on the number line is important in order to understand how fractions represent part of a whole. We all know that a fraction is a number which is not a whole number, such as 1 by 2, 5 by 6, etc. Representing fractions on the number line, we know how to represent whole numbers on the number line. Let us consider the image shown here. The digit 0 and 1 are represented on the number line. We have to divide one part into two as shown in the figure. What value does midpoint hold? Yes, definitely the midpoint hold half value. So here you can see half in between 0 and 1. Students, let's have a look on this number line. If we have to represent fraction 1 by 5 on the number line, hence we need to divide the line segment between 0 and 1 into 5 equal parts, where the first point shown in the figure represents the fraction 1 by 5, the second represents 2 by 5 and so on. Students, let us see how fractional numbers are represented on the number line. Here, one part is divided into 10 parts, so each part is called as 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, 10/10. That means 1. Important note: if a fraction has to be shown on a number line, every unit on the number line must be divided into as many equal parts as the denominator of the fraction. Students, let's see example. Show the following fraction: 3/5, then 2 and 3/5 on the number line. These two fractions we have to show on the number line. So it is easy to mark the fraction 3/5 on 2 and 3/5 on the number line, because on the scale every part is divided into 5 equal parts. So in the first unit, the third mark from 0 shows the fraction 3/5, and after 2, third mark shows the fraction 2 and 3/5. So like this you will show the fractions on the number line. Students, let's see one more example. If we want to show the fraction 3/10, 9/20, 19/40 on the number line, how big should be the unit be? So let's see solution. The denominator of the given fraction are not equal. So here the number in the denominators are 10, 20 and 40. Have common multiples of 40. Therefore, making the denominator equals, we get 3/10 is equal to 3 multiplied by 4 upon 10 multiplied by 4, you will get 12/40. Next, 9/20 is equal to 9 multiplied by 2 upon 20 multiplied by 2, we will get 18/40. And we already have 19/40. So now you can see the denominator is same. To represent this fraction on the number line, each main unit should be divided into 40 equal subunits. Therefore, 3/10, that is equal to 12/40, is represented on 12th mark from 0. Then 9/20, that is equal to 18/40, is represented on 18th mark from 0. And 19/40, that is equal to 19/40, is represented on 19th mark from 0. So on this number line, first we will divide 0 to 1 into 40 equal parts, and 12/40 represent 3/10 on 12th mark from 0. Then 18/40 represent 9/20 on 18th mark from 0. Then 19/40, that represent 19 mark from 0. So like this we will represent fractions on the number line. Students, now we will discuss practice set 11. Here, question number 1 is, what fractions do the point A and B show on the number line below? So here you can see the number line. We have to find out point A and B. So let's see how we will find out point A and B. Here each unit is divided in 6 parts. So on this number line you can see A is the fifth division from 0. Therefore, A is equal to 5 by 6 and B is the 10th division from 0. So, B is equal to 10 by 6. So, A is equal to 5 by 6 and B is equal to 10 by 6. So, like this you will represent point A and point B. Students, let's see question number 2. Here you can see on this number line A we have to find out, and each unit is divided into 5 equal parts. So we have to find out A and B. So here in solution each unit is divided in 5 equal parts. So A is the third division from 0. So A is equal to 3 by 5 and B is the seventh division from 0. Therefore, B is equal to 7 by 5. Question number 3. So here each unit is divided in 7 parts. So A is the 10th part from 0. So A is equal to 10 by 7 and B is the third division from 0. So B is equal to 3 by 7. Question number 2. Show the following fractions on the number line. First is 3 by 5, then 6 by 5, then 2 and 3 by 5. So here you can see the denominator of the given fraction are equal. So let's see how we will show the fractions on the number line. Here on this scale every centimeter is divided into 5 equal parts. So in the first unit, third mark from 0 shows the fraction 3 by 5, and after that the sixth mark from 0 shows the fraction 6 by 5. After that you can see after 2 the third mark shows the fraction 3 by 5. So like this we will show the fractions on the number line. Question number 2. 3 by 4, then 5 by 4, then 2 and 1 by 4. These fractions we have to show on the number line. So here you can see the denominator of the given fractions are equal. So let's see number line. See, on the number scale, every centimeter is divided into 4 equal parts. So, in the first unit, third mark from 0 shows the fraction 3/4. Then, fifth unit from 0 shows the fraction 5/4. After 2, first unit or first mark shows the fraction 2 and 1/4. So like this you will show fractions on the number line. Here we completed with practice set 11. Thank you dear students.